Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into monday.com for time tracking and workload balancing, full guide step by step clearly.
To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type monday.com and hit enter. Once the site loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, enter your email address associated with your monday.com account.
Next, input your password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link to reset it.
After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Wait a moment as your dashboard loads. Once your dashboard appears, you will see various boards that you can use for time tracking and workload balancing. To access time tracking features, select a board where you manage your tasks. Look for columns labeled with time tracking. Click on the appropriate time tracking column to start or stop tracking time on specific tasks. If you need to balance workloads, navigate to the workload view within your selected board. This view will show you how tasks are distributed among team members. Use this information to adjust assignments as needed for optimal workload balance. To add new tasks, click the +Add button on your board. Fill in the task details and assign them to the appropriate team members. Set due dates and priorities to ensure tasks are managed effectively. After adjustments, regularly check both the time tracking and workload views to maintain efficiency. Always log out after your session by clicking on your profile icon in the bottom left corner. Then, select Log Out from the menu. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.